There's danger afoot, underfoot. The bugs lurk in subterranean tunnels, preparing for their next vicious attack. Wiping out these nests is dangerous work, but nothing the mobile infantry can't handle. Our brave troopers will uncover and eradicate the enemy wherever they hide.
So, tell me about this death trap you sent us into. Any word from the advanced squads?
We don't know the situation underground. It's safe to assume that bugs still control the mine tunnels.
Roger that. All right, troopers, let's go on a bug hunt. I want every inch of these mines cleared.
Sir! Look alive, troopers. Yes, sir.
These doors are locked. Must have been trying to stop the bugs.
Snipers here.
You'll
Sir.
need to get to the control room to get them open.
Miss me?
Squad moving out. Roger that.
Tell us what to do.
Keep low. What's the situation? Sir! Yes, sir. Squad moving out. Come on, you apes. Affirmative. Squad moving out. Come on!
We're on bug home turf, so be ready for the worst.
Squad moving out. Affirmative.
Sir,
Affirmative.
engineers reporting.
On me.
Affirmative. Yes, sir.
We have to take out that nest before continuing.
Troopers, standing by. Come on, you apes.
Snipers here.
Look alive, troopers. Affirmative. Sir. What's the situation? Sir. Sir.
Snipers here.
Squad moving out.
Miss me?
Sir.
Snipers here. Miss me?
Troopers, standing by.
Sir,
Snipers here.
Affirmative. Roger that. Yes, sir. Squad moving out. Come on, you apes. Come on! Affirmative. Come on, you apes. Affirmative. Come on! Roger that. Squad moving out. Roger that.
I hear movement, and it ain't coming on two legs. Defensive formation. Maintain a clear field of fire.
Come on, you apes. Roger that. Sir.
That's it for now. Move out.
Keep low. Roger that. Keep low. Roger that. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Affirmative. On me. Roger that. On me. Keep low. On me. Keep low.
What's the situation? Sir. What's the situation?
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Troopers, standing by.
Stash your tools and move out! Affirmative. Engineers, follow me. Stash your tools and move out! Yes, sir. Engineers, follow me.
Big chamber up ahead. Looks like the bugs enlarged it to make room for something.
Standing by. Look alive, Trooper squad moving out.
Take a bug. Keep your distance from that thing.
Sir.
Looks like it's wounded. We could take this thing down with grenades. Tankers down. Regroup and move out.
Yes, sir. Roger that. Understood. Affirmative. Understood.
Finally out of Archie's caves.
Yes, sir.
This should position us on the far end of the control room.
Understood. Affirmative.
Engineers reporting. Tell us what to do.
Roger that. Yes, sir.
Our war support has
Affirmative.
increased, sir.
On me. Roger that. Keep low. Affirmative.
What's the situation? Yes, sir.
Troopers,
Standing by.
Affirmative. Sir. Tell us what to do. Sir.
Come on, you apes.
Control room is back online. Remotely accessing door locks. Heads up. Security cameras reveal bugs on the way.
Engineers reporting.
Construction complete.
Sir. Engineers, follow me.
bugs are down. What do you got for us next, Cortez?
Colonel, cameras are picking up a group of survivors trapped further down the mine.
All right, let's go rescue these boys and girls.
Tell us what to do. Affirmative.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Stash your tools and move out. Sir.
Keep low. On me. Affirmative. On me. Affirmative.
Our war support has
Troopers,
increased,
keep low.
sir.
Roger that. Affirmative. Keep low. Roger that. On me. Yes, sir.
Fine job on the
Look
rescue,
sharp,
Colonel.
troopers.
But we're detecting multiple bug contacts beyond that door.
All right, roger that. You new guys, lock and load. We're gonna kill some bugs.
Roger that. Affirmative. Roger that. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Keep low. Yes, sir. Roger that. Affirmative. Keep low. Affirmative. Keep low. Affirmative.
Watch out! Another tanker!
Look alive, trooper. Yes, sir. Understood. Sir.
Awaiting orders.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Roast 'em and toast 'em. Engineers,
A
roger
unit
that.
has been promoted, sir.
Stash your tools and move out. Engineers, follow me. Stash your tools and move out. Look sharp, troopers.
Congratulations, troopers. 2 takers down in 1 day. When we get back topside, feel free to push those bragging rights.